Hello, guys. Thank you for joining. Good evening to you. And I'm happy to be here. Hello, hello. Thank you, guys, for joining. How are you? How's your day? It's good to have you here once again after a very, very long time. I just got this new AirPod by iTel. Look at it. It's the one I'm using. Look at it. The new AirPod is very good. And look at this. Even the can I call it a charger or the packet or the cover? It's so portable and yeah, it's good to handle. I love it. And for me, I love AirPods. I love AirPods. And anytime I see, I always want to buy. And what they do, the name is not written on it, and I don't know the reason why the name is not written on it, except when you open it inside, mm, you discover that the name ITEL is written inside of it. You know, and even the AirPod itself, the name is not written on it. I don't know. They want people to feel like when they're using it, they should feel like they're using iPhone AirPod. I don't know. Maybe that's the reason why they, they design it like this. But it's very cheap. It's about just 20,000 naira, and it's cool. And it has a call in, noise out. When you're making call, you'll be able to hear yourself. I test it this evening, and I was able to get something good from it. So for me, I would say I said I've done a great job for this. All right. When you open this casing, at times when you open it, if you want to have something that looks like iPhone style, thank you for liking, thank you for sharing, thank you for coming. And in case you're watching me, please let me know where you're watching me from, and then I will say hi to you. And in case if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much, Goku. Thank you so much, Sarin and Abi. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining. And when you open it, this is what you see. This, and the charger is there, and this extra AirPod and the manual is here. So for me, I love this AirPod, and this is my first time of using iTel AirPod. Oh, Patra, welcome. Hello, Blow. Love from India. Oh, hi, it's India today. Please, guys, welcome, 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 welcome. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel, guys. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. So, right, this iTel AirPod, if you can see it in your country, yeah, you should go and buy it. Hmm? But I'm not. They have not paid me for advert, but I just feel like when I use something good, I advise people to buy if they want to. Jonas, welcome. Okay, come and take. So this is what I love using. I love AirPod, I love AirPod. I don't know about you, but for me, I love AirPod. Watching me, if you are hearing me, you know that I'm using this AirPod to communicate with you. You can testify by yourself, watching the sound, hearing the sound. It's with Jack Jacqua. It's with Jacqua. Thank you so much for joining, Johnny. Thank you so much for joining. So you can testify by as you're watching me, as you're listening to me, the audio is coming from this AirPod. That's what I'm using to communicate with you, and you can testify if this AirPod is good or not. I'm not watching, so I can't hear myself, so I don't know whether it's good or not. But for me, I believe this AirPod is very good, and you can buy it if you want. This is itel. Some people, one thing about itel, me, the first time I used their phones, I was not impressed with their phones, so I have to leave the phones. And then there was this bulb, electric bulb that I bought from itel, and because my family is poor, it's poor family, and not I have not any payment. Please give me some money to for study. My brother, mm, I wish I have. If I have, I will give to you. Mm, Siborach. If I have, I will give to you, but for now I don't have. So sorry. I wish I have. I will assist you. So all I'm saying is that this AirPod is very very good, and I love it. You can use it for iPhone. I'm using it on my iPhone. Michael, welcome. The guy behind me is Jesus, and the one in front of me is Jesus, Michael. So you can use it on your iPhone, which I'm using it on my iPhone. You can use it on your Android phone, tablet, and laptop. So with this AirPod, you can use with all the stuff that you want, and it's very good, nice, and quality AirPod. And I believe you are sitting there, you're watching me, and you know that this is very good. Also, you should go and buy if you have it in your country. If you have it around your space, then you can as well go and buy and make use of it. Excuse me. And I love the cover. This is clean, and it feels good in the hand. Yeah, and it looks like iPhone AirPod, but this is itel iPhone. It's pretty the same thing. So for me, I love it, and then I like it. Oh, you can for iPhone too. Yes, it with you can use it for iPhone. As I'm talking to you, I'm using my iPhone to stream on this live. So as you're watching me, you're watching with my iPhone. So it's compactable. If you can hear me, I know very well that the AirPod is good. And after here, I would watch the video and then hear the sound by myself to know how cool the sound is. But I think it's better and it's good, and you are enjoying it wherever you are. So it's itel. Itel looks kind of cheap, but their products are good. Mm. You can get itel extension, so many stuffs from itel, and for me, I love it. That's why I'm using it. All right, and so the AirPod is very very good. I love it, and you can buy. All right. Eat with Jakwa. Where are you watching from? Where are you watching me from? Let me know where you're watching me from, guys. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Guys, please share, like, share, comment, and let's see and say hi to you wherever you are. And you guys are just the best. And I'm always happy when I come around and I see you people coming to watch my videos. It's been a long time now. I've not been here because of one or two things that are kind of busy. So that was why I was not able to come live here like I normally do. But I believe I'm going to resume back to my live streaming and then have a nice time. Sometimes you have to stream from different platforms, come back on YouTube. go to everywhere, before you finish, you get tired, It's not that easy, man. Yeah. So, but we're not going to give up. We just keep up with the strength and then feeding you with good content on this channel. You are just the best. And we are happy having you here. All right. So that's that. And for me, I'm happy to be here with you guys. You can still watch my other videos. Go on my channel and then watch my other videos. And I believe you will enjoy my channel. And you're gonna say, wow, you have a good content. But now the content is not much, but we're trying to make progress. It's not easy. Oh, no, no.